Hello students, welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes subject Maths Standard 6th. Students, yesterday's video we have learned prime factorization. Now today we will learn SCF. HCF, highest common factor. Common factor. When two or more numbers have the same numbers are factors. The same numbers are factors, it is called a common factors of those numbers. For example, the factors of 16 is 1. 1 is a factor of every number. And you know that the number is 16 is exactly divisible by 2. So 2 is a factor of 16. So is like 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 is the factor of 16. Now factor of 18 equal to, again 1 is the factor of every number. Then 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18 and 18 1s are 18. Now in those numbers, the same factors 1 1 1. The same factors of both of them, this is 1 and that 2. So these two are the 1 and 2 are the common factors. Okay students? Now next, highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? The greatest number which is a common factor of two or more numbers is called the highest common factor. The greatest number of common factor. Okay? It is the greatest number that divides each of the numbers exactly. For example, 16. The factor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and factor of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. The greatest number which is common factor of two or more numbers is called the highest common factor. The greatest number which is a common factor. The common factor is 1 and 2. Which is the greatest number? 2. Which is the greatest number? 2. And 2 is the greatest number 2, which is a common factor of 16 and 18, is called the highest common factor. Understood students? And it is the greatest number 2 and that divides each of the number exactly. Means 16 is divisible by 2 exactly and 18 is exactly divisible by 2. Both the numbers is exactly divisible by 2. So therefore SCF is 2. The greatest number that divides each of the number exactly, or the greatest number which is a common factor. Common factor 1 and 2. Which is the greatest number? 2. These are the highest common factor. This is the highest common factor. 2 is the highest common factor of 16 and 18. Now finding the HCF by prime factorization method and continued division method. Prime factorization method, you know that yesterday we solved prime factorization. So SCF, finding the SCF by prime factorization method, we use only prime factors, and continued division method means long division method. Now first let us see find the SCF by prime factorization method. Example 24 and 54. Now SCF of 24 is, we divide the number by only prime factors. we divide the numbers only prime factors. So now first 5 prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Now first prime factor is 2. Now uh, 24 is divisible by 2. See, last digit is 4. Means yes. So 2 24 is divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So this question I wrote here 12. I wrote below the 24. And now again 12 means again 12 is divisible by 2. So in 2 table in which times come 12 in 2 table? 2 6 are 12. So I wrote here question 6. Again this 6 2. So 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is a prime number. So 3 is divided by itself only. So 3 ones are 3. So these are the factors of 24. These are the factors of 24. So we write the factors of 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Now next number 54. Again last digit is 4. So we divide the prime number 2. 54 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Exactly divisible. Then 27 we write here below 54. Now 27. Which tables come 27? Prime number 3. 3 9s are 27. Then again 9. 3 3s are 9. And again 3. 3 1s are 3. These are the factors of 54. So I wrote 54 factors 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. Now we take out the common factor. Common factor means same factors, both of them. So same number is first 2, these 2. Now again here 2 and 54. Not the factor is 2, only one factor 2. So here 3, here 3. The common factor is 2 and 3. Red color factor 2 and 3. And when we take out the SCF, you multiply the common factor. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. The highest common factor is 6. 24 has highest common factor 6. 24 and 54. 6 is a SCF of 24 and 54. Understood, students? Now next. Now how to solve the example again, prime factorization. Here we will write now we write first 5 prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Now first we try the 2. Last digit is 8. 8 is even number, means 138 is exactly divisible by 2. So we divide 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18. So this 69 I wrote here, quotient I wrote here, here 2. Now next number. Now 9. Here is last digit is 9. So 69 is not divisible by 2. Now next prime number 3. Next prime number 3. So 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. Students, you learn the prime number, then you identify which is the prime number and which is not. Now 23. 23 is a prime number. 23 is not divisible by any number, only 1 and itself. So 23 ones are 23. Students, you learn the prime number, then it is very easy to identify the prime numbers and we solve it easily. Now next number is 375. Now here last digit is 5. 5 is not divisible by 2. So we can't divide by 2. Now 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Means 15 is divisible by 3. So 375 is divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. And 3 fives are 15. Okay. So 125 we write here. And 3 prime factors. Right hand side we will write all quotient and divisor we will write left hand side. Now again we add, because divisibility by 3 is, if sum of its digit is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. Add the numbers 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So next prime number is 5. Last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So here last digit is 5. So we divide 125 by 5. 5 twos are 10. 25. 5 fives are 25. 0. So this 25 we write here, right hand side here. 25. And here write 5, because 125 divided by 5, answer is 25. Again 5 fives are 25. Again 5 ones are 5. These are the factors of 138 and 375. So we write here write here 138 factors, 2 into 3 into 23. And we write here 375, 3 into 5 into 5, into 5. What is the common factor? 3. 3. Only 3 is a common factor of both of them. So common factor is 3. Common factor is okay. Now the factor of 138 equal to 2 into 3 into 23. And 375, 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now here common factor 2 is not here. So 3 is only 3 is a common factor. 3 is a common factor. So common factor is 3. Common factor is 3 and HCF is 3 and IS common factor is 3. Got it, students? Now next example. See here 144. Students, you divide in your mind because it is very difficult to again and again divide and write the quotient. So 144. See here last digit is 4. Then direct 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Again here last digit is 2. Again 2 I took. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. Again here last digit is 6. Then again 2 is divided. 2 is 36 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 18 is the table of 2. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Now 3 3s are 9. It's like that you can solve. These are the factors of 144. Now 576. These are the factors of 576. 576, here 6, last digit is 6, so 2 is divisible by that number. Quotient is 288, again 8 is even number, last digit. Then again the 288 is divisible by 2, so quotient is 144. Again 144 is divided by 2, so answer quotient is 72. Again last digit is 2, so 72 is divisible by 2. Quotient is 36. Again 6 is the last number 6 and 6 is even number, so again 36 is divisible by 2. Answer is quotient is 18. And then again 18 2 nines are 18. Now 9 is a odd number, and then next prime number 3, 3 threes are 9. So these are the factors of 576. Now factors of 804. Now 2, here again last digit is 4, so 804 is divided by 2. 2 fours are 8, 0, 2 twos are 4, again 2 twos are 4, 0, 2 ones are 2. Now it is not divisible by, last digit is 1, so 201 is not divisible by 2. Now add the digits, 2 plus 0 plus 1, 3, and 3 is 201 is divisible by 3. So 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, and 3 7s are 21. Now 67. So 67 is a prime number. 61 and 67 is a prime number. You know that which is the prime number? So now 67 ones are 67. So is like you take out the prime factors. Now here place is not here. So I only mark the common factor. Directly common factor I wrote. In your notebook you will write all the factors of for first 144, then 576, then 804, and then we take out the common factor. Here place is not here, that's why I will not write here every factors. Okay, not directly I wrote here common factor. So the common factor is 2, 2. Common factor means 144, 576 and 804. In three numbers, which is common factors, 3 of them, that's when we take out. All 3 numbers, see 2, 2, 2 means same numbers, means it is a common factor. Again 2, 2, 2, yes, common factors. You take out the common factors, all 3 numbers, and then 3, 3 and 3. These are the common factors of 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now you multiply them. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So SCF is 12. So I wrote where. So SCF is multiplication of that common factor. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. SCF is 12. So we write here. Now here place is not here. So SCF is 12. Students, you write the multiplication of that number 12, and 12 is a SCF. Here I wrote. HCF is 12. Got it, students? How to take out the common factors and multiply these common factors? So we take out the highest common factor. So we will get common factor, highest common factors. When we multiply the common factors, then we will get highest common factor 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now next number, C, 54. Now again what? Last digit is 4. So 54 is divided by 2. Last digit is 4. So 2 2s are 4. And 2 7s are 14. So this quotient we write here. Then last digit is 7. So 27 is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. So 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now next is 60. Next number is 60. Again 0 is here. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Again 5, here 5, last digit is 5 means 15 is not divisible by 2. Now next number is 3 prime number. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Students, only this number divides by prime number. Don't use composite numbers. Now next is 72. Okay. Now again last digit is 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4, 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now next number is 80. So again 2. 2 4s are 8. Again 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. 2 1s are 2. Again 2. 2 5s are 10. Now here 5. 5 is a prime number. 5 1s are 5. Now we take out the common factor. Common factor. Now here 2, 2 and 2 is a common factor. Now here 3, 3, 80 is not a factor of 3. Fact, 3 is not a factor of 80. So we can't circle the 3 because we want all numbers 54, 60, 72 and 80, that all numbers we want the same number. So here these 4 numbers 2 is a common factor. Now next 3 not, because 3 is a factor of 54, 3 is a factor of 60 and 3 is a factor of 72, but 3 is not a factor of 80, so don't take 3. Now, and 5 is not a factor of 54, here 5, so only the common factor is 2 and SCF also 2. Okay students, so common factor is only 2 and SCF is also only 2. Next example. Now SCF by continued division method or long division method. Now next method we will learn SCF by continued division method or long division method. This method of division was invented by Greek mathematician Euclid. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. First we divide larger number by the smaller number and divide the previous divisor by remainder. When we divide the smaller number, that smaller number now divided and remainder is divisor. And until this process we continued, the remainder is 0. The last divisor is the SCF of the two numbers. The last divisor is the SCF of two numbers. Now let us see the division. It is a continued division method or long division method. Long division method means we divide. Now this 24 is a smaller number and 54 is a larger number. So 54 is divided by 24. Now 24 twos are 48. 14 minus 8 6 and 4 minus 4 0. Now this remainder is 24 is divided by this remainder. So we write here 6 4s are 24 0 0. So this 6 is the SCF of 24 and 54. This 6 is the SCF of 24 and 54. Understood students? It is very easy. See next example. 350, 650 and 750. Okay. Now see these two numbers first we will take. So 650 is divided by 350. 351 are 350. So 0 0 300. Now this 300 is a divisor now and 350 is a dividend. 300 ones are 300. Now here 50. So now this 50 again divided by 300 divided by 50. 56 are 300. So now this 50 is a divisor of 350 and 650 and that divisor is divisible divided by 750. So 50 ones are 50 and 5s are So 50 is the SCF of 350, 650 and 750. Understood, students? SCF 50 is the SCF of 350, 650 and 750. Now next number. 2312 and 3434. So we divide first. So what is the answer? 1122. Now this one we divided 1122 twos are 2244. Again divide this number. 68 ones are 68. Then 68 6 are 408. Now 84 is remainder. Sorry, 34 is remainder. And that remainder again 68 divided by 34. The answer is 34 twos are 68. And this 34 is the SCF of 2313 and 3413. See here, 2312 is 3434 is divided by 2312. Means larger number is divided by smaller number. Now 2312 ones are 2312. What is the remainder? 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Now this is the remainder. Now this divisor is dividend now. 2312 is divided by 1122. Now 1122 twos are 2244. So this one is subtract. 12 minus 4 8, 10 minus 4 6, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0. Now remainder is 68. This 68 and 1122 is dividend. 1122 is divided by 68. 68 ones are 68. 12 minus 8 4 and 10 minus 6 4. Now I will take to downside 442. Now 68 6 are 408. So 12 minus 8 again 12 minus 8 again 4 and then okay, and then 3 as it is, right? 4 minus 4 0. Now this 34 is remainder and this 34 68 and this 68 is dividend. And 68 is divided by 34, 34 twos are 68. And that 34 is highest common factor up to 1312 and 3434. Okay, students. Now, what we learn today? Find the SCF by prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we use only prime numbers. We use divisor only prime numbers. And continued division method means long division method. I show you, you can't understand, again I tell you. Okay, students, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.